Hi blessed people, welcome back to the life-giving food segment on this channel. If you are not aware, we have a segment on here where we just share foods that are very beneficial to the body. We have talked about the benefits of bitter kola, we have talked about guava leaf tea, we have talked about soursop, ginger, and many others. Today we are going to be looking at the health benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera offers a wide range of health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties, thus helps in reducing inflammation. Aloe vera juice can aid digestion and relieve hyperacidity. Some studies also suggest that aloe vera juice may help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes and pre-diabetes. Aloe vera may also support weight management by boosting metabolism and aiding in bowel movement or bowel regularity. Aloe vera contains antioxidants and other compounds that may help boost the immune system. Personally, I always like to talk about my experience. I have used aloe vera on my face to clear a scar. I've seen people who have used aloe vera for wounds when they have burns. It's popularly known in my area that when you have a burn, you use aloe vera on it and it works well. So if you are sleeping on this, of course, these videos are always meant for information purposes. If you have a situation and you want to use aloe vera, it is always wise and best to consult with your doctor first before going ahead to use aloe vera. What have you used aloe vera for before? Who have you seen use aloe vera? Maybe in your environment, has there been a situation and somebody says, most times we get to learn about herbs and these natural things from people who have gone ahead of us, like from especially older people. They'll tell you, oh, if you have a stomach ache, eat guava leaf and it will work. You taste it and it's going to, you try it and it's going to work. So drop in the comment section what's your experience with aloe vera. If you do not know how to make aloe vera juice, this doubles as a video that is going to show you how to make aloe vera juice. As you can see, you just need to wash your aloe vera. I washed it and I soaked it in water for 1 hour. There's some yellowish thing that comes out of aloe vera most times, and it doesn't come out of all, but most times you find that when you cut the aloe vera, there's a juice that leaks out of it. I have come to learn that particular yellowish substance that comes out of the aloe vera is not very good. Okay, it can be itchy, especially on the skin, and it can also cause diarrhea. So I go ahead to soak it in water for a very long time, 1 hour to be precise, and then I remove it, take out the dark skin, remove the meat from the aloe vera, the whitish part that is very slimy. That's exactly what I blended. Of course, I got in some of the green parts, just a little bit of it, because I couldn't take out all. But this is what you get when you make your aloe vera juice. After I blended it really smooth with some water, and then I put it in containers and I'll store it in the fridge. Thank you for watching this video. I pray you remain healthy by consuming life-giving foods. Okay, we have many more videos on the life-giving food segment. Do well to check those videos out. I will see you on the next one. Bye.